Clean air for driver and passengers, contains soda and carbon to generate fresh breeze air. Replacement for FRAM CF10134, Honda genuine part number 80219, S, H, JA01, 80292 SDA407, 80292, SD, AA01, 80292, SD, CA01, 80292, SEC A01, 80292, S, H, JA01, 80292, S, H, JA41, 80292, S, W, AA01, 80292 T0 GA01, 80292 TZ3A41, 80292 TZ5A41. Compatible with select model Acura, CSX, 2007 to 2011, ILX, 2013 to 2021, MDX, 2007 to 2022, RDX, 2007 to 2018, RL, 2005 to 2012, RLX, 2014 to 2020, TL, 2004 to 2014, TLX, 2015 to 2020, TSX, 2004 to 2014, ZDX, 2010 to 2013. Compatible with select model Honda Accord, 2003 to 2021, Accord Crosstour, 2010-2011, Civic, 2006 to 2015, Crosstour, 2012 to 2015, CR-V, 2007 to 2016, Odyssey, 2005 to 2017, Passport, 2019 to 2022, Pilot, 2009 to 2021, Ridgeline, 2006 to 2022. Top reviews from the United States. Easy repair. I went to a car dealer to get the cabin air filter replaced. They wanted to charge $150 to replace the filter. This is such a simple repair, dirt simple actually. No one should pay so much for the filter to be replaced. Do it yourself.